Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be just doing a quick denim skirt haul. I'm sharing my 7 denim skirts. These are the only ones that I own and I'm going to style them in different ways. I'm just going to give you a little bit of background information about each one, and then like I said, I'm going to style them in different ways. They're all different, and some I just recently made, others that I've had for a while that I did update a little bit, and then I think I have maybe one that I didn't do anything to, but a lot of them I did do things to change them around just a little bit from what they originally were. So I will explain what I did for each one, and then of course show you what an outfit would look like with that piece. And if you are interested in this, then I hope you keep watching. This is just for some inspiration of ways you can wear your denim skirts, also ways you can update your denim skirts if you don't like how they look, or even update jeans and make them into skirts. So without further ado, I'm going to just show you the very first skirt. It is this one here. This is the first one. This is a skirt that I was given by a good friend of mine. She passed it down to me several years ago, and it used to be like a mermaid style skirt, so it was tight at the top, kind of fitted in this hip area, and then it like tapered at the knees and then flared out a little bit at the bottom. And I do have a video of how I updated this, so I will link that full video below in case you want to check it out. But this is how it looks now. It's knee length. And I just decided to pair it with this denim shirt. I purchased this not too long ago at the Goodwill, and I just wanted to try the denim on denim look for this little lookbook. So this is how the outfit looks. The next skirt I have is this one. This is an Old Navy skirt. I think this might have been longer when I first got it. I can't remember, but it is cut like this at the bottom. I'm not sure. I can't remember if I did this or if I got it like this, and I don't even remember where I got it. But this is the skirt I mainly wear when I'm working on projects. So it has a paint stain or two on it, and I just usually just throw it on whenever I'm out running around in the yard doing something, painting, not caring about whether things get messy. So that's what this skirt is about. It has a few extra pockets here and there, and then on the back, and here again is the rough edge that it has. Pretty ripped up and tattered. Again, just a quick throw on skirt, and I would just normally wear this with a t-shirt and sneakers or flip-flops, if depending on what's going on. And if you're interested in this shirt, the link is below. This is on my website, one of the items that I designed and I am selling. So if you want to check out any of the other shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and other unique items, check the link below. So I thought it would be a good idea to give a little bit of detail about some of the other items I'm wearing. So the denim shirt that I was wearing is a size large from this company called Velvet Heart. And I want to share these details in case you like the shirt and you want to look it up. I want to make sure that you can do that. And then this skirt, like I said, is really old. The company is called Elite Jeans. And then the skirt from the second outfit, as I mentioned, it's an Old Navy skirt. The next outfit I'm going to be wearing is with this top, and this is a J. Crew shirt, and I'm going to be pairing it with this denim skirt. This is one of the skirts that I recently made, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box so you can see how I did that. The process is not that complicated, so I'll just show you that outfit next. The next skirt that I have is this one. It's from the brand Squeeze, and it says Stephen Hardy on the tag. And this skirt used to be longer. This is one that I cut. I just cropped it right off, and then this is what it looks like at the bottom. I just left the rough edge, and I'm gonna style this now with this shirt. The shirt is, this is what the tag says. So this next outfit I'm gonna pair with this shirt. This says Dream Big on the front. It's a cropped t-shirt. Got it from the Goodwill. And this is the tag inside. It just says Mighty Fine. And I am going to pair it with this other skirt that I recently made in a previous video, which will be linked below. It was a pair of jeans before. These were American Eagle Outfitter jeans, and I made them into this midi skirt. I think this is kind of like right below the knees. These jeans were low-rise jeans, so the skirt is also low-rise. It just like hangs on the hips, and I just paired it in a kind of a unique way, so I'll let you see what that is. I don't know where this thing is from. I sewed over the tag when I did a little alteration to this, but this is just a dress, a sleeveless dress that I kind of like rolled the this top part over and sewed it to make the straps a little thinner and to bring in some of the material, and then I removed the buttons. So this is just an open front sleeveless dress that I'm wearing as like a duster or a long vest. The next thing I'm going to be trying on is this denim skirt from Cancy Cole. This is in a size small. It fits a little bit big to me, and I considered taking in some of the material. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it below in case you want to check it out. They have different varieties. I also have this in a yellow that's not denim. This is a little wider at the bottom, and it has an elastic at the back, and then a drawstring, and then two big pockets. And I'm just going to be pairing it with this white bodysuit that I purchased from Shein. Okay, so here's the last denim skirt. This one is the one that I most recently purchased from Shein, and I shared it in a Shein haul not too long ago. But I did an update to this skirt, and I just want to share that really quick. I took the waist in. It was a little bit too loose for me. I like to have that snatched feeling, especially in the waist, to hold everything together. I use the same method when I change jeans into skirts in order to tighten this skirt. So once I did that, this is how it looks at the back. Just a rough edge. I'm fine with that. So when I took it in though, the pockets then were unaligned for some reason. Everything was lining up, especially this little area here was lining up perfectly, but for whatever reason the pockets were off. So all I did was go back and remove the pockets, and then I decided to do something a little bit, you know, different. And I changed the pockets, and I actually just tipped them this way a little bit to over exaggerate the fact that they're uneven, and then also to play on the dark part of underneath where the pocket used to be. So this is what it looks like now, and it just gives it its own unique little flair. So I'm going to try this skirt on with this top. This is a shirt. It's now a shirt, but originally this was a dress that I got from Burlington a really long time ago. and I was never wearing it, so I decided to just cut the bottom off and let it be a shirt. It's called Sherigano. So now it is a top, and I will be pairing it with the denim skirt, and this is the last outfit. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.